Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian broth or stock. So you basically have three options if you want to use vegetarian stock. Number one would be that you use all these lovely vegetables and you cut them up yourself, which is pretty time consuming and labor intensive. Or you would buy a box of shelf-stable broth, vegetable broth, which is typically not very flavorful and doesn't have many nutrients. Or third, you would buy a little box of concentrated cubed stock that would have preservatives in it. So today I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian stock, not with these vegetables, but with actually my Veggie Spice Kit. That's Bountiful Broth Veggie Spice Kit. So all of these lovely vegetables, which are celery, carrot, onion, black garlic, regular garlic, medicinal maitake mushroom, turmeric, black peppercorns, are all in this lovely, very high quality, dehydrated kit. Did you know that pound for pound, dehydrated or air-dried vegetables retain just as much of the nutrients as fresh vegetables? It's surprising. In a nutshell, the lower the temperature you air dry the vegetables, the more nutrients it retains. When you consider the vegetables at the grocery store, think about when they're picked, probably prematurely, and then they're driven to the grocery store and placed on the tables for when you come by to buy them. So it's almost better to have dehydrated vegetables because they are dehydrated at their peak of freshness. Now you have two choices to make the vegetable broth or stock. You can either use your Instapot or you can use an actual stock pot. If you use the Instapot, you take your broth, your spice kit, and you pour it in, and then you fill it with water. Close the lid, push the high pressure button, push the manual button for an hour and a half, and you've got the most delicious broth, vegetable broth you'll ever eat. Don't forget to strain the vegetables out of the broth once you take it out of the Instapot. If you're going to use a stock pot, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to put the spice kit in, you're going to fill it with water, but you're going to cook the stock pot for about 4 hours. And again, make sure that you strain it. Enjoy your vegetable broth.